Hi and welcome to this Brisk AI course on how to attract your dream customers. Create your lead magnets with the help of artificial intelligence. So in this course, you are going to learn on how to building lead magnets. You're going to learn what are lead magnets, what are leads, and the best way to build your own lead magnets with the help of artificial intelligence. It doesn't matter if you're self-employed, if you own a small business, using lead magnets is the path to go. It's the easiest way to attract new clients, new customers into your business. So that's what you're gonna learn in this video course. And the first lecture is about what are lead magnets actually and why do you need them. If you're new to marketing, then this is the way to go, because I'm going to teach you how to use lead magnets, what are lead magnets, and why you should use them. If you know what lead magnets are, you can skip the first lecture and go straight to the next one where we're going to talk about details. But you first need to understand, okay, what is a lead magnet? For this, you need to understand what are actually leads. So what is actually a lead? That's in marketing. It's a special word that you use because in marketing, what is our goal and what in business general? Our goal is to get strangers to buy our stuff. So there is this journey. Marketing actually tells the story how strangers become your customers. So what you want to do is, if you look at this graphic, you see on the left side, you see the strangers, people that have never heard of you, have never heard of your service, have never heard of your product. On the right side, you see the customers. And in between, there is a stage where people are not yet your customers. They have not yet bought from you, but they are also not strangers anymore. They have heard of you. They've heard your name. They've heard your brand. They have heard of your service. Those are leads. So this is the stage in between, and we would like to attract those leads in the first stage. So what are leads actually? So a lead is somebody that shows interest. The person has already heard of your company and it's someone you can contact. So you have contact details like an email address, like a telephone number. It's not a stranger anymore, and they have given you the permission to contact them. This is very powerful. A lead magnet then is a system in between that gets the strangers to be interested and to get the stranger to become your leads. So it's the journey from strangers to leads. In between is a so-called lead magnet. And in this course, you are going to learn how to produce highly efficient lead magnets to attract strangers to your business or to your self-employment or to your company. So what are lead magnets? A lead magnet can be anything, but a lead magnet is something that is of interest to your audience because, as you remember, a lead is somebody that is interested. So a lead magnet helps your audience to be even more interested in your company and is of such high value that the person gives away their contact details so that you are allowed to contact them afterwards. So a lead magnet is something of high interest to the audience and of such a high value that they can contact you afterwards. And you've seen this probably a lot on the internet. There are many examples of this. You've maybe yourself even used a lead magnet before. You've subscribed to a newsletter and you've got promised something like an ebook before. So you see this a lot on the internet. And why? Because it just works. So let's take a look at examples of lead magnets. For example, the classical example is an ebook, but it doesn't need to be an ebook. It can be a written book that you have written, that you are selling, but you are giving it maybe away for free to your future customers to get them more interested into your company. It could be also classical white paper, so a paper from your company where you lay out your processes, where you lay out your structures, where you lay out your vision for a future, for a better future for your customers. That could be a white paper. It could also be, for example, a software, like a small, cheap software tool that is highly useful for your customers, that they can use already. It solves a problem already for them. And then afterwards, they give you their email address for the results of the software, for example. Maybe you've also done something like this before. It could be a free sample. It could be something that you give away for free, just a little part of your service, or when you walk on the street and somebody hands you over a free bottle of a new drink, for example. This is a free sample, and this is also one step again to get you to become a buying customer. Or it could be also a list, like for example, a checklist with precise steps that people can take to achieve a certain result. Or it could be a list of books, for example, you have read. Or it could be a list of tools that your customers can use. So a list that is already useful for your customer, where your future customer, your lead, can give you their contact details and they would like to receive the list instead. So those were some examples for lead magnets, but you can be very creative in this. We're gonna take a look in the future course on what you can choose and how you choose the right lead magnet for your calls. Examples for contact details could be, the most common one is emails, because email just works. People still open email. Newsletters still work. Yes, in 2024, they still work, and email is one of the most used contact details you would like to gain from your leads, from your future customers. But it could also be DMs. You see that a lot now on X, for example, that people write me a DM and I'll send you the free ebook, for example. Also, direct messages on social media, like on Instagram, like on X, could be a way to get contact details, could be a way to contact your future leads, your future customers. Or messengers like WhatsApp, like Signal, like Telegram. You want their telephone numbers so you can write them on WhatsApp, for example. Could be another example of a contact detail. A third one could be certain groups, like a Facebook group or a Discord server, for example. So you see that sometimes that people say, join my Discord and then we can discuss something there. You get this for free. So any contact detail you can think of could be a trade for your lead magnet, actually. So this was a short introduction into lead magnets and what a lead is and what a lead magnet is for. In the next lecture, we will see how to build those lead magnets with the help of artificial intelligence. See you in the next lecture. Hi and welcome back to this course by Brisk on how to attract new customers. How to build and create your lead magnets with the help of artificial intelligence. Today's lecture is all about how to choose your lead magnet. As you can remember, in the last lecture, it was all about what are leads and what is a lead magnet. In this section, in this chapter, you are going to learn how to choose now the right lead magnet. What could be the right lead magnet for my future customers? That's what you're going to learn in this section. As before, if you know already everything about leads and lead magnets, you can skip that and skip to the next lecture where we're going to talk about how to create lead magnets with AI and really go into detail. But stay tuned. I guess there's something in this for you too. Just to give a quick reminder, what are actually lead magnets? A lead magnet is something of interest to your audience and something that is of such a high value that they give you their details, their contact details. So keep that in mind when we are going to be talking about lead magnets now in this lecture. So what you want to do, step one, to create the perfect lead magnet for your customers, for your future customers, is you make a list of problems your customers could have. If you're providing a service, for example, and you have a standard product, for example, for my marketing agency, I have a product that is just video marketing for social media. So this already solves a problem. Every product or service solves a problem for your customers. What you want to do is, for your lead magnet, you make a list of problems that could occur before they need your main solution. So for example, for video marketing service, what could they need before this? They could need, for example, a guide on what is video marketing even for. They could have a guide on what are the problems that occur when you want to have video marketing. It could be how to talk to your boss if you are in marketing and you want to start a video marketing campaign. How could I talk to my boss about that? Could be also one step before even the main service. It could be something that shows the problem that they have. So the easiest way to do that is think about your solution. Think about what problems could your future clients have and just brainstorm and make a list of problems. So you've made your brainstorming, you have a huge list of problems that your future clients could have before they even need your service. The next step is to find solutions to those problems. So to each problem, you write the ideal solution. This can be very easy. If, for example, my clients have the problem that they have to talk to their boss and convince them. You could write, for example, a short ebook that says how to convince your boss that video marketing is the way to go, or how to convince your boss of a new campaign, for example. So this solves already one problem that is the first step to your main service. And if you help your future customer already with the lead magnet so much that they are enjoying this and that they find really value in it, then they are more likely to buy your main service afterwards. So make the list of problems and then just write the sentence of the problem again as a solution. And afterwards you think about the right format of the lead magnet. That would be the third step. So this is a very easy process to come up with lead magnet ideas, with topics, with solutions for the problems your future clients could have. Another example could also be maybe one client has already talked about their problems. Maybe you can ask your clients, what are some problems you had before you came to me and wanted to buy my service or my product? So those are all ideas, those are all ways to come up with ideas for your lead magnets. Okay, that was one step. The next step could be you take what you already have. For your company, you have a lot of procedures maybe, you have a lot of lists maybe, and you just take what you have. This is very simple and just make it beautiful and just make a lead magnet out of this. For example, for my company AIB, I had already this huge list of AI tools. I had it for myself, and then I thought, okay, I could give this away for free to my viewers and collect their email addresses. And maybe you have come to this course through this email address. So you see, it really works. You take what you have. But this course is of course about how to create your lead magnet if you don't have it yet. So step 2 could be something that shows their problems. So as I've said before, you list the problems, but your customers might not know that they have those problems. You could use ChatGPT, ask about the buyer persona, and ask what problems they could have, for example, and how you could show those problems to them. So you show that they even have a problem, you let them discover their problems. That's the second way how to find a good lead magnet for your company. You could give it a trial. You could say, okay, I give you a part of my service. You could try it out for 30 days. And if it works out, then we can work together. That's the third way to find good lead magnets. And the fourth way is the first step to the complete solution. So you have like a part of your service, and the first step you give away for free, and afterwards they become your clients. So those are just some ideas on how to get ideas for your lead magnets. We're gonna take a look at examples of lead magnets, so you might also come up with ideas maybe from now on. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hi and welcome back to this Brisk course on how to attract your dream clients. How to build lead magnets with the help of artificial intelligence. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to build one of the most useful lead magnets, which is actually a book. Yes, we are going to create a book together. It can be an ebook, or you could also upload it to Amazon and use it as a real book. But I would recommend selling the book and also have it as a lead magnet. I'm going to tell you later how. So this lecture is all about how to create an ebook with the help of artificial intelligence. You're going to learn an easy step-by-step guide on how to do this. So follow along, let's dive into it. In the resource section, you can find a link to our prompts, and there is also the prompt guide on how to produce a book with ChatGPT. So what we're going to do is we're going to do exactly this, and I'm going to show you how this is extremely useful. We've used this also for our companies and it works really good. I'm going to show you how. So if you open up this guide, you see here all the descriptions. You just need to follow those steps, and it's so easy to do. So what you see here are those prompts, and what you can do, you just click on copy and you copy this prompt, and then you go over to ChatGPT and you just enter and paste the prompt there. So let's do just that. So we've entered ChatGPT. You can do this with ChatGPT 3.5, or it works, of course, better with the paid version. I have GPT-4, and I'm just gonna paste this prompt here. The prompt is, imagine you're an expert on, and then you enter your topic. You would like to write the book on your topic, which is focused on, and your niche. What would be a good structure for this book? So we let ChatGPT write the structure for this book. So let's say my topic is marketing strategy. You would like to write a book on creating effective lead magnets. You would like to write a book on creating effective lead magnets, which is focused on, and the niche is maybe solopreneurs. What would be a good structure for this book? And let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. You see, and ChatGPT writes the title, Magnetic Attraction, Mastering Lead Magnets for Solopreneurs. I love this title. Okay, it's a preface, introduction to lead magnets, the importance for solopreneurs, how this book will help. Chapter 1, understanding lead magnets, defining and purpose, types of lead magnets, why lead magnets are crucial for solopreneurs. Chapter 2, knowing your audience. So you see, it just writes out all the chapter ideas. Let's go back to the Notion template and see what comes up next. So next we want to let ChatGPT write out the chapters. And here is the prompt again. Simply write out the chapter and then the name of the chapter. What is important is that you stay in the same thread so that ChatGPT still knows what you're talking about. Okay, so then you can write out the chapter, and let's start with Introduction to Lead Magnets. Enter, and you see ChatGPT is going to write out your chapter here. Welcome to the world of lead magnets, a crucial tool in the arsenal of any solopreneur aiming to build a thriving business. Isn't that amazing? And if you don't like it, you just click on regenerate, of course. So that was the first chapter, and it was written in like a few seconds. So then you just go on and let ChatGPT write all your chapters out. What happens if ChatGPT changes the style or the tone? Then you use the prompt you see here on the screen, rewrite the chapter being more specific, changing the structure a little bit, and be as helpful as possible while keeping the style used before. You click on enter and it's gonna change the style. And if it's really not working anymore, you can copy always a chapter from above and then you write out the chapter, use the same structure as the following chapter. And then you copy the chapter from above. This should bring ChatGPT back to the old style. It could happen that ChatGPT changes the subject. Then you have the prompt here and you enter again the topic. You could also use this prompt here. You can add more paragraphs for this. You have like everything there to do that. You can give more examples, you can add more chapters. And this takes a little time, but afterwards, congratulations, you've just written your first book. And believe me, it's so good that you yourself will learn something about this topic. Afterwards, you can let ChatGPT write a description for Amazon. You can create a copy for people to buy your book. When you're finished, you want to put this all into one document. You make a beautiful PDF out of it. You make it look beautiful. You go to Amazon KDP, which stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. And what you want to do there, you just follow the process there. You upload your book there. You give it a price. You can choose any price you want and you put the price there so your book is there. You can sell it and it's on Amazon. But the other cool thing is you've just created a lead magnet. You can say people, hey, on Amazon, this book costs $20, but you will get it for free if you join the email newsletter, for example. And you've created your first lead magnet with the help of artificial intelligence. So that was the lecture on how to create your ebook as a lead magnet with the help of artificial intelligence. See you in the next lecture. Welcome back to this Brisk course on how to attract your dream customers, how to create lead magnets with the help of artificial intelligence. In this lecture, you're gonna learn how to build your own GPT and how to use this as a lead magnet. Now, this is a very new form of a lead magnet, actually. I've not seen that a lot of times. It's actually a new approach, it's a new idea, and you should definitely test it out because people are going to love this. What you're gonna do is you're gonna build your own GPT. It's very easy. There are a few simple steps you can just do. And then you have your own GPT. This GPT you can share and people can use it. And if they find it useful, they will approach your business and they will want the full solution. So you see, a lead magnet doesn't always have to be an ebook or a white paper, but can be also a software and can also be something like a chatbot or now like a GPT. So let's get into it and I'm gonna show you what I mean. I came to this idea because I've seen this article, which is in an Austrian online newspaper, which was called Trending Topics Launches GPT-based Startup Interviewer. So what they are doing is they have their GPT, you can use it, they have pre-programmed it and it interviews you, and if it's interesting enough, you can share it, you send the full transcript or just the link to Trending Topics and they will print the interview. So it's more like an outsourcing of interviewing, which is a really good idea, but we are gonna take the same approach and build a lead magnet with a GPT. Follow me along. So this is this startup interviewer. Let yourself be interviewed by it. So you just create a chat here and you chat with it and it interviews you and then you send the link to Trending Topics. This is a really good idea. We are going to build something similar and maybe you can use it for your business too. So what you want to do is you go into ChatGPT, you need the paid version, so you need ChatGPT Plus. But if you have the paid version, it's really worth it because you can click on the upper left corner on Explore and then you will see all your GPTs and the recently used ones and the ones made by OpenAI. And then you just click on Create a GPT. Then you will come to this window and on the left side is like a builder where you can chat with ChatGPT, and on the right side you see the preview what it is building, and it is really simple. I've prepared actually a prompt that I'm going to use for my service, which is the following. I would like to use GPT as a lead magnet for my service. The service is video marketing consulting for mid-sized companies. The GPT should ask the user questions which lead the user to being interested in my service. It should be like a light sales talk, but asking only questions and revealing the problems the user has and showing why video marketing could be a solution. I'm gonna simply put in here on the left side, and GPT is going to do the rest. It's going to produce this GPT just for me. So you see it's updating the GPT. How about we name this GPT Marketing Mentor? I love this name already. This name reflects its role in guiding users towards understanding the value of video marketing. Does this name work for you? Yes, it does. Now it's generating a profile picture. Here's a profile picture for Marketing Mentor. It's very nice. I love it. And here is already the picture on the right side. Let's refine the context of Marketing Mentor. So it's going to ask me a few questions to redefine what Marketing Mentor can do. I'll just quickly answer them. It's updating the GPT. So let's consider the types of interaction and responses that Marketing Mentor should avoid. No, nothing. What tone should it have? Professional tone, and it should ask to clarify. But you really should think about your service and what your service is about and how you could help your future customers, your leads with your service. Like we said in the first lecture or in the second lecture where we thought about problems. So think about how this GPT could solve like a small problem already for your target audience. Add some personality. You can always say, just decide, I don't know, and it will take its own decisions also if you don't want to answer those questions. So it's now set up and ready to try out. Let's test it. Let's test the Marketing Mentor. Hello! Welcome to your video marketing journey. It's great to have you on board. To kick things off, could you share with me what interests you most about video marketing and what you're hoping to achieve through it? I like to start already. I would like to gain more customers. Fantastic goal. Video marketing is a powerful tool for attracting new customers. To tailor my advice, could you tell me a bit about your business? What products or services do you offer and who's your target audience? Let's say I own a laundry. Great, a laundry service can definitely benefit from video marketing. To better understand your needs, could you tell me if you've tried any forms of marketing before? If so, what worked well and what didn't? Also, have any specific ideas or themes in mind in your video marketing campaign? So you see, this works out quite good. It will guide me through the process now. I've tried social media marketing. Video content can complement that nicely. With your laundry service in mind, we can brainstorm video ideas that highlight the convenience, quality, or unique aspects of your service. Before we delve into specifics, could you share which social media platforms you've used and how successful you've been reaching your audience? Let's say Instagram, but not very successfully. Thanks for sharing. That's nice. To enhance your presence there, let's explore a few strategies to showcase your service, behind the scenes glimpses. Nice. And there's one more trick I would like to show you. What you can do is now you go to your own website and you're gonna export your website as a .txt file. This will help GPT to access the information really fast and really good. So I went to seawardmarketing.com, for example, and I'm gonna save this as a text file. And then I'm going back to my GPT configurator. You have up on the right corner here, you have configure, you click it, and here you see all the instructions. You see here, that's the instructions. You can also change them. Here you can change the conversation starters, but what we wanna do is we're gonna wanna upload here under knowledge some files. So I'm gonna upload just the file I created, the text file from my website. Yeah. And then I'm going to tell, at the end of the consultation, give contact details from C-word marketing so that the user can contact me. I'm going to update the GPT with this. It's going to be accessing the file I just uploaded, and it's going to give the user my contact details so that after this, they can share this with me and the process can go on. So you get the picture on how to use GPT as a very useful lead magnet. So let's try it out. I haven't tried it before, and it asks me some questions here. That's very nice. And you see, I can also ask who is C-word marketing, and it just takes the information now from the file I've uploaded. Last step you want to do is you click on save, you go to public, you click on confirm, and there you go. There is our marketing mentor here. I can go now here to copy link, then I copied the URL, and anybody can use now this link, sign up to chat and chat with this new GPT we've just created. So ideally, this GPT uses or solves a problem for your target audience, and they get more interested, and at the end they will receive your contact information and they will get into contact with you. So this was the easiest way to build GPT and to use it as a lead magnet. You could also, for example, connect it with a chatbot and connect it to your website and embed it there. But this is a little bit more complicated, of course. You could also do it that the answers are being tracked and that you get the answers immediately, maybe afterwards for a sales call, and that the contact information is being asked by the chatbot. But this is all a little bit more complicated. We provide this also as a service, but this was mostly the easiest way to create this chatbot, to create this GPT as a lead magnet. Create now your own one, and see you in the next lecture. Hi, and welcome to another lecture on how to build your lead magnets with the help of artificial intelligence. In this lecture, we're going to do something different. We're going to create a questionnaire. It is quite similar to the last lecture, but we're going to use an own tool, an own software to create a questionnaire. This questionnaire has a few goals. So you're going to learn how to create a questionnaire with the help of artificial intelligence, and you're going to learn about this specific tool. This tool helps you create a questionnaire. And why a questionnaire? Because a questionnaire can help you with the following. First of all, it's very low level. The customer wants to try out him or herself. They want to get some information about themselves. That's why they are doing the questionnaire. So they're going through the questionnaire. They are learning something about themselves. They are getting rated in this questionnaire. At the end, they will get a score. So they know how much, for example, they need video marketing services, or they know how much they need your services. And then you gather their contact information, you can contact them, and you also get the answers from this questionnaire. So you have very qualified leads, you have people you know already something about them, they know something about your service, and you can then go further in the selling process. So it's a really useful tool, and I'm going to show you today what is the tool and how it works and how it implements artificial intelligence in the whole process. Let's dive into it. So the tool is called scoreapp.com, and when you go there, you see immediately lead generation and customer engagement at its best. They've already been in the market for a longer time, but they've now implemented artificial intelligence. So it's a paid app, but you can also start for free. You can scroll down here and you see create your scorecard in minutes using the world's first AI quiz builder. Start using today. So you simply sign up. So you have to answer a few questions here. What's your main goal? Generate more leads, because we want to create leads. How many leads per month would you consider a success? I would consider 10 leads as a success. I work, and then you choose. I'm going to choose marketing. How much help would you like? I'm new to this, I'm keen to learn. Congratulations, you're in. So that's very quickly to set up. Then you can start from scratch, pick a template, and here you see the AI setup wizard. And I've tried it before, it's really amazing. You click here, you click on Get Started. What's the primary goal for the scorecard? Generate new leads. How do you want to format the feedback that the scorecard delivers? One overall score, one single outcome, or multiple scores? I'm not sure. Let's AI do everything for me. How would you describe your business? It's video marketing, consulting, in my case, for example, but you just put in your business here. My target audience are CEOs of mid-sized companies, 50 employees. Click on next. What do you want to help your clients improve, achieve, or prevent by using this scorecard? More engaged leads. So it suggests something here. Pick a concept for your scorecard. Get more suggestions. Video marketing secrets unleashed. I love that one. And now it's adding some questions for me. Are you currently using video as part of your marketing strategy? That's nice. Do you have a dedicated video marketing budget? That's nice. Have you seen an increase in engagement and conversion since using video? I don't like that. Are you actively promoting your videos on social media platforms? I like that. Do you have a clear understanding of your target audience and how video can help to reach them? I like that. Are you aware of the latest video marketing trends and strategies? Have you created professional quality videos for your business in the past? That's good. Do you have a specific goal in mind when using video marketing? That's perfect. Are you actively tracking the performance of your video marketing campaigns? Do you have a dedicated team? That's also a good question for a new customer. One more. Does your company have experience? Okay. Let's go to next. It's a summary, and then you just click on create my scorecard. It's adding the questions. AI writes for me everything. That's amazing. And here is my scorecard. Here is already the link. I can click here and you see it has created this landing page. You could share this now with your customers and get like leads in there. Answer 10 questions and we'll send you a personalized report. How good is that? Take the scorecard, you enter your contact details, and then it starts asking those questions. Are you currently using video marketing as part of your marketing strategy? Yes. Do you have a dedicated video marketing budget? Yes. Are you actively promoting your videos on social media? Yes. Do you have a clear understanding of your target audience and how video can help to reach them? No. Are you aware of the latest video marketing trends? No. Have you created professional quality videos? No. Do you have a specific goal in mind when using video marketing? Yes. Are you actively tracking the performance? No. Do you have a dedicated team? Yes. Does your company have experience in creating engaging videos for marketing purposes? Yes, it's complete. So AI has created already this scorecard, this page for me. You can update now the landing page. This is the main landing page. It looks really good. You can now add stuff like here, like a footer, a header, and so on. This is how the result page would look like. So your leads would get like an overall score. You could put then here a video on how to improve the score. So this could be already the first sales video, and then book a strategy call, or you change this and then they book a call with you and they have become maybe hot leads where you can sell something afterwards. So you see, this tool is really easy to use. It's very nice. You can also like here create a PDF report that the people get sent to afterwards. You can change the questions afterwards, but you see how quickly I've created this quiz for my video marketing services, for example. It's really easy to do. So this was how to create a questionnaire with AI and use it as a lead magnet. It's a really nice tool. Try it out today to get new leads for your company. See you in the next lecture. Welcome to this Brisk course. Welcome to this lesson on how to attract new customers. and how to create lead magnets with the help of artificial intelligence. Today you are going to learn how to create videos as a lead magnet, because you can also record a video, you can also produce a video with the help of artificial intelligence and use this video as a lead magnet. And you're going to learn step by step how to do this and how that works. I just want to give you one example on how that works. If you take a look at this here, somebody has offered a free workshop, so you could also name your video a free workshop. And then it just says, it gives a promise. It says, watch my exclusive workshop, and then the title of the workshop, and learn the 4 steps to create whatever. And then you enter your email address, and then you can watch the free workshop. So what you're going to learn in this lesson is how to create a video with the help of artificial intelligence that you could use yourself as a lead magnet like this. If you enter your email address, the following thing is going to happen. So as you see, it gets you to this page, which is a video page by Graham Cochrane, and he has his course, his workshop, and you can watch it then afterwards. It's 1 hour long and he gives a lot of information there, and at the end he actually sells you his full course. So you see, this video is already a lead magnet, and you can use also video for lead magnets. So what we want to do is we want to create a video with the help of artificial intelligence. And the tool to create such a video is called InVideo AI. InVideo.ai. You are going to find this tool and you can try it out for free. It's a really useful tool because what you can do there is you can either let AI create the full video, or you can enter your script and it will create a whole video out of your script. So that's what we're going to do today. So you sign up for free there, and then you come to this workplace where you can select up here the workflow, and you can just go to script to video and you can enter your script here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to ChatGPT and we're going to enter the following prompt. So what I've just entered is, I would like to create a short masterclass video that can work as a lead magnet. The service I'm offering is video marketing consulting. That's where you enter your service. What problem could the lead magnet video solve that comes before the solution of my service? Because as you can remember, the lead magnet should solve maybe a small problem that comes before the big solution that your service can offer. And ChatGPT is writing the following thing, for example, understanding the importance of video marketing, overcoming the fear of being on camera, identifying the right content for the audience, maximizing video reach on social media, and so on. So it just gave me a list on what could be a good topic for this lead magnet video. Let's just go with the first step, understanding the importance of video marketing. So I just prompted ChatGPT, write the script for a masterclass lead magnet video that talks about the first point, and it just starts with writing the script for me here. So it's unlocking the power of video marketing, but I need to specify it better. So it has now this scene. Welcome to the special masterclass where we're going to unlock the secrets of video marketing. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketing professional, or just starting out, understanding the power of video marketing is crucial in today's digital world. Video marketing isn't just a buzzword, it's fundamental shift in how we connect with your audience. Did you know that viewers retain 95% of a message when they're watching it in video compared to 10% when they're reading it in text? This is about much more than making videos. So you see, it writes out a perfect script for me. So I'm just going to copy this script. I'm going to go over to InVideo, choose here script to video, and enter my script here. Make the background music inspirational. You can choose the gender. I will choose a male, and I want the British middle-aged voice because I like that one. And let's click on continue. You click on generate video, and InVideo is analyzing what I just pasted in there. So there's one more step here to do. You choose your audience here, which I can take business owners. The look and the feel should be professional, and the platform should be YouTube. You click on continue, and then InVideo AI is creating this video just for me. It's analyzing, it's using the script, it's taking stock footage, and it's just preparing the video for me. So this is probably going to be a quite short video, but you can play with this, and then afterwards you can just use a simple software and just put the video together, and then you have your full video as a lead magnet. And there you go, it has produced this video, which is 2 minutes long.
Welcome to today's masterclass on the transformative power of video marketing. I'm here to guide you through why video marketing is essential and how you can start leveraging it for your business today. Let's start with a fact. In our digital age, videos are the most consumed type of content online. They have the power to engage, inform, and influence. But why is video so effective? It's simple. Videos combine visuals, sound, and storytelling, making them incredibly engaging and memorable. Now, you might be thinking, is video marketing really for me? The answer is yes, regardless of your business size or industry. Today, we'll cover 3 key areas.
So if you don't like something here, for example, the music, you could give a command to edit the video. For example, delete the second scene, make the scene half as long, change the current stock video, or just mute the music. You can chat with the video and it's going to create the video, recreate the video. You can also click on edit, and then you can choose and exchange the videos, and then you just click on export and you export the video, and that's how you create your video with the help of artificial intelligence. Now, I've just exported it because that's the free version, but you can always pay for this tool. It's not so expensive, and then you will receive the whole video without any watermarks and with all the stock footage that is in there, and you can use it already as a short lead magnet. So this was one of the easiest ways to create a video as a lead magnet for attracting new customers to your company. See you in the next lesson. Welcome back to this lesson to attract new customers to your business, create lead magnets with artificial intelligence. In this lecture, it's all about funnels, because now what we've done, we've built one or many lead magnets, we've produced maybe a book, we've produced maybe a GPT, but now people need to access this lead magnet. How to do that? This is a short introduction on funnels and what a funnel is. A funnel is something from marketing. It's a concept that you can use to just reach more people and to attract your dream customers. So this is what this lecture is about. This lesson is about attracting new customers through the help of funnels. So it's a short lesson on theory, basically. So as you can remember, we are talking about the path that strangers take from becoming strangers to your customers. We have these stages, as you can remember. At the start, they are just strangers. They don't know your business yet. Then they become leads. They know your business. They are interested in your business or in your service. And they have given you their contact details so you can contact them. And afterwards, you can sell them something. They become your clients or your customers or your patients. It depends on your industry. So this is the marketing path. But there is also a technical path behind this, which is quite similar. Every funnel starts with attention. If you think about the last service you've consumed or the last product you've bought, there was one time in history where you were a total stranger, where you didn't know about this service or product. So the first step is you've gotten the attention of this service. Maybe you've watched a YouTube video about it. Maybe a friend told you about it. Maybe you've seen an ad. So there are different kind of ways of getting attention of people. But that's always the first step. Grab the attention. Afterwards, we would like to proceed with the landing page. You are going to learn in the next lesson how to build a landing page, but on the landing page you are going to be more interested, and then you will receive the lead magnet, which is the first step then in the journey on becoming really a customer. It's attention, landing page, you receive the lead magnet. So that's the first part of the journey of becoming a customer, of becoming a lead to a company. And you can use this kind of framework for yourself now. So why does it have to start with attention? Well, if nobody knows about your service or your product, then nobody's going to buy it. So it's always about the attention. So be as helpful as you can be to as many people as you can be, and they will give you their attention. So that's the first trade basically you want to take with your audience. We're gonna probably produce a course on how to grab attention, how to get the attention of your dream customers. So, but keep in mind that attention is just the first step. You somehow have to produce good content on social media and get them to click on the link and get them to your landing page. And then you need a system where you can distribute your lead magnets, and that's a landing page. It's called a landing page because people land there either from social media, or they search for you on Google, or they click on an ad, maybe also on social media. But they've gotten the attention, they've clicked the ad, and now what? Now they come to your landing page. And there is the idea, there is the lead magnet, there are the benefits of the lead magnets. So people are really interested in this now. They see the value in it and they want to provide you with their contact details. As we've said before, it can be an email address, it can be their telephone number, it can be any contact detail where you can contact them afterwards. So this is the basic structure of a funnel. Keep that in mind. In the next lesson, you are going to learn how to produce a landing page with the help of artificial intelligence, so you can really start getting into the business and getting really into it and using your lead magnets you've produced so far and start capturing leads and start then selling your service or product. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson. Welcome back to this Brisk course on how to attract more customers, create your lead magnets with the help of artificial intelligence. So you've created a lead magnet, maybe one, maybe two, you've created your own GPT, you've created your own book. Now is the time to distribute your lead magnet. That means now you need people to access the lead magnet. So how do you do this technically? For this, you are going to need a landing page. You're going to need a page where people can enter their email address and they can access the lead magnet. And we're going to build this together with the help of artificial intelligence. This is a step-by-step guide. I'm going to show you how to do that very fast and very easily with the help of artificial intelligence. This lesson is about how to distribute your lead magnet, how to get people to access your lead magnet, and how to build a landing page. So what is a landing page? The landing page is just a simple website where people get information on the lead magnet and where people get to be interested in the lead magnet, where they see what they are going to get and where they enter their contact details so that you can send them the link to the lead magnet or the book, for example, itself. Let's dive into it. Let's build a landing page in seconds. You're going to be using this AI tool, which is called landingpage.ai. You see here, you can just go build a free website. We're gonna click here, try now for free, no login required, your business name, let's call it video marketing service, description supports all languages. Oh, interesting, we could also use a different language. We provide video marketing services for mid-sized companies. Let's see if that works. This page should have a form where people can access a free guide. Create your website. It's just one click, and landingsite.ai lets us choose a style, design focused, playful. You can choose the design you want for this, a marketing page, contact us form. Let's see, waitlist widget. I like actually that. Let's choose this template and let landingSite.ai do its magic. I love that. Checking the template. Oh, you see here, enhance your website with optional details for this template. Free guide detail. Please provide details about the free guide offered. So let's call the free guide Magnetic Attraction Mastering Video Marketing. The target audience are mid-sized company owners or marketing specialists. And then you just click on build, and landingSite AI is going to build your website. This should take up 30 seconds. You could put in your email address here where you get notified when it's finished. We're just gonna wait here. It also includes SEO for Google. It comes up with catchy taglines. It makes it mobile optimized. Your website is ready. Let's go and take a look at the new landing page, the new website created. And here is the website that they have created. Transform your business with powerful video marketing. Enter your email address, join the waiting list. You can go now here and change a little bit the wording so it fits to your lead magnet. Instead of join the waiting list, you can also write something that it doesn't say join waiting list, but get the free book. Works. And you see get the free book is now here. Enter your email address and you see this was very quickly how it works. You can just change the things that are written here. You can change the pictures afterwards, but they are like really good and that was like really fast. You can of course put in your pricing here, get the one for free and get here the lead magnet on the left side you have created. So you have this really nice website created in just a few seconds. You can also go here, create a new page and then can add like your own landing page. You can build it here yourself, add elements, use AI to add to this section. For example, here a simple form for a lead magnet, which is a free book to download. Ask AI, download your free ebook and here enter your email and you can just simply modify it also here with this little bot here. So you see formatting and designing your website has gotten so much easier since the help of artificial intelligence. And that's it. Now you have an easy way to create your landing page or even your whole website with the help of artificial intelligence, and you can start distributing your lead magnets with your own landing page. See you in the next lesson. Thank you so much for joining this course on how to build your lead magnets with the help of artificial intelligence. You've successfully completed this course. If you like this course, please consider sharing it with your friends. If you didn't like something or you see improvements, please tell us so we can improve in the future. See you in the next course at Brisk.